8 Benefits of ChatGPT Bing Search. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video explores 8 advantages of utilizing ChatGPT Bing Search. With its advanced language model and powerful search capabilities, ChatGPT Bing Search offers a range of benefits that can enhance your online browsing experience. Let's dive in. 1. Quick and accurate results. ChatGPT Bing Search offers fast and accurate search results for all your internet needs. Bing Search leverages the innovative technology of ChatGPT, an advanced language model, to offer users an unmatched natural language search experience. Getting comprehensive and lightning-fast results in just a blink of an eye. Whether searching for news, images, or products, you can find the most relevant results quickly and easily with ChatGPT Bing Search. Successful example: imagine you need to find information about the tallest building in the world. Type your query into ChatGPT Bing Search, and within seconds, you'll have access to detailed information about the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. 2. Natural language understanding. ChatGPT Bing Search offers not only lightning-fast results but also natural language understanding. ChatGPT's sophisticated language model efficiently comprehends intricate user inquiries, providing a personalized search encounter that presents the most pertinent outcomes to its users. With this robust technology, you can be sure to get the right answers in no time. Successful example: suppose you're curious about the weather forecast for your upcoming vacation spot. By asking, "What will the weather be like in Miami next week?" ChatGPT Bing Search will provide you with accurate weather predictions instantly. 3. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT Bing Search can provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific interests. ChatGPT Bing Search can provide excellent recommendations for accommodations in a specific city. It considers reviews and ratings to ensure you find the best lodging options available. Successful example: if you frequently search for healthy recipes, ChatGPT Bing Search will suggest nutritious meal ideas and cooking tips that align with your dietary preferences. 4. Enhanced image and video search. ChatGPT Bing Search also provides enhanced image and video search capabilities. Users can quickly access high-quality images, videos, music clips, and more with a simple query. The results are often a mix of relevant content tailored to the user's needs. Successful example: you're seeking inspiration for your next home renovation project. By searching modern interior design on ChatGPT Bing Search, you'll be presented with stunning images and videos showcasing various contemporary designs. 5. Rich multimedia integration. ChatGPT Bing Search allows users to access various multimedia content easily. Advanced image and video search capabilities allow users to quickly find relevant images, videos, music clips, and more with just one query. This makes finding the perfect content for any project or presentation more accessible. Successful example: imagine you want to learn how to tie a specific knot for rock climbing. When you search for it on ChatGPT Bing Search, it provides step-by-step instructions and includes an interactive video demonstration right in the search results. 6. Comprehensive knowledge graphs. ChatGPT Bing Search also uses comprehensive knowledge graphs to provide more detailed and contextual information on any topic. This allows users to quickly access a wealth of relevant data and multimedia content without manually searching through multiple websites. Successful example: if you're researching historical events like World War II, ChatGPT Bing Search presents detailed timelines, key figures, significant battles, and related events all in one place to enhance your understanding of the subject. Seven. Real-time updates. ChatGPT Bing Search provides users with real-time updates on current events, thanks to its comprehensive knowledge graphs. By regularly scanning sources for the latest information, ChatGPT Bing Search can provide accurate and timely updates on the topics you care about. Successful example: suppose there's breaking news about an important political event happening at this very moment. You'll receive up-to-the-minute news articles and live updates by searching for the event using ChatGPT Bing Search. 8. Cross-platform accessibility. ChatGPT Bing Search users can access the platform from any device, including mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. This ability to access content from any platform is incredibly helpful for keeping up with the news on the go. Plus, its algorithm can provide personalized results based on your past searches, ensuring you're always kept in the loop. Successful example: whether you're searching on your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, ChatGPT Bing Search provides a consistent and seamless browsing experience that adapts to your device's screen size and capabilities. You have 8 excellent benefits of using ChatGPT Bing Search. We hope this video has given you insights into how this powerful search tool can enhance your online browsing experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.